In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find your serial and model number here on a PS5 or a PS5 Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just have some down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go to your PS5 home screen. Up in the top right corner, you're going to see a little settings gear just like so. Go ahead and select that and scroll down, and what you're looking for is a system section. So scroll down a little bit, select system, and then from here select system software, and you're going to see a tab that says console information. Select that, and when you're in here, you'll see your serial number listed on the screen. You can copy this if you need it for warranty, support, repairs, registration, whatever it might be. And to find your model number, what you're going to need to do is look on the original PS5 box. The model number is going to be printed on there. But if you don't have that box, carefully turn your PS5 over and look in the bottom of the console, and you'll see a small little sticker. That sticker will show you both the model number and the serial number. And this works the exact same on both PS5 and PS5 Pro. But that is it. That is how you can find your serial and model number here on a PS5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.